At Home Hardware, we believe that anyone can take on DIY projects with some simple tips of the trade. Today we're installing a bathroom vanity. I'm going to start with the faucets. For easier access to the plumbing, I'm removing the back of the vanity. Never over-tighten the valves when installing the faucets and spout. Connect the water lines using a flexible braided hose. With a pipe cutter, you're going to want to trim the excess copper. Now, instead of soldering, install compression fit valves and use Teflon tape on the connections to reduce the risk of any leaks. Move your vanity into place and connect your braided lines to your shutoff valves. After you pre-fit your drain, connect your pipe with ABS cement. Use silicone to attach your backsplash to the wall and to fill in any gaps. Always remember to double check all connections before turning the main valve back on. For more tips of the trade, go to homehardware.ca/tips.